Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back as promised. I told you once I received my kit from Club Cash Fund, I was going to come back and show you guys. And I did receive it, guys. Right here, it says 7/18, July 18th. Okay, yeah, 7/18. Now, I joined July 17th in the evening. So the company does what they said they're going to do. The next day, this package came out. Today is the 22nd. So 4 days later, I have it. Pretty cool, okay? This is the sales letter. So that's why they call it a starter kit, because it actually has everything in here for you to get started. You don't have to go download anything. You don't have to print anything. You don't have to make any copies, okay? So when I requested my kit, I also joined at the same time. I went ahead and joined via the Cash App straight to the company because I wanted to get started, okay? But here's the sales letter, guys. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 front and back, okay? Actually 3 pages, front and back, okay? So that's pretty cool, all right? So you don't have to print anything. That's what I'm like. And I've tried it, so I want to see how it all worked out so that I can go through it with you so you'll know what to expect. So the letter is here. Okay. And it even has my name. It addressed it to me right here. See that? Let's see, where are we on the camera? Right here. So it's addressed to you. Okay. When you get yours, everything is here. As you can see, easy read, easy on the eyes. It tells me here's my number right here. Okay. So everything someone needs to get started, they've included for you. All the information is here. Okay. As you can see, it gives you very clear instructions. The contact information for the company is here. I mean, as you can see all through the letter, he's stating my name, so he's definitely addressing it to you guys. Very clear instructions. There's a 24-hour number you can call, check it out, listen to it. I've listened to that as well. It's on this side. Okay, very clear instructions, very clean cut. It's in color. Okay, there's proof right here. Okay, they're showing proof payments, which I've already seen all that. But this is a nice little letter, and it tells you on here, you know, exactly what you need to do. So here's my sales letter. Now, let me show you, okay? Comes in this little envelope. Real cute, huh? All right. I didn't have to mail anything. I didn't have to print anything. Now, check this out. This is what's really cool, and here's my ID on the back here. What they do is send you a self-addressed paid stamp. Okay, you don't even have to mail, put a stamp on this to mail it back with your $100. Okay, he's taking care of all that for you. Now, inside of this is a cute little thingy here that you will put your money in. How nice is that? So you put your 100 in there. Okay, you drop it back in this because it has my ID on it right here. Okay, drop it back in this envelope. You don't even have to put a stamp on it, guys. Seal it up, drop it in the mail. Boom, you're ready to roll. That's pretty cool. Okay, now this program is only $100 to get started. It is a direct mail program, but you don't have to do any mailing. You don't have to send your sales letter to people anymore. Okay, of course, yes, I'm still in 30-day success. I'm still in 6-figure stamp club. This is something new, something fresh, something different. Okay, everything is not for everybody. Some people may want to do this program, or some may want to do 30 days, some may want to do 6-figure, or some may do them all, like me, okay? So it's something different. I like the concept of just simply going online, requesting a kit. The company's going to mail it out for you. You don't have to do any of that, okay? And you can track all that simply from your back office. I'm going to flip this camera around because I want to show you how this all coincides, okay? 7/18, this came out, and then they sent me an email to tell me that, so I knew the kit was on the way. So it's pretty awesome. I'm really impressed with what I'm seeing here. So hang on a second, let's see if we can flip it over. Okay, see you right here, guys, 7:18. Now I joined 7:17 in the evening. So 7:18, they told me, hey, your kid is on the way. Okay? So that is pretty cool. So I was very impressed with that. There's a lot of times where they say they're going to do something and they don't. But here they did Club Cash Fund. So I'm super excited about this. I want you guys to get started with me in it. I'm going to give you some leads to get started as well to help you get going. But all I did is send traffic, guys, and I have 7 kits coming out. I showed that to you the other day. If you missed it, I'm going to put the link below so you can check it out. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? And I'm going to put the link for this program so you can get your kit in the mail so you can get started. Now, if you want to get started today, contact me and I will give you the Cash App information for the company, okay? So that you can go ahead and get started, all right? Otherwise, you just request a kit, which you're going to request anyway, but you don't have to wait to mail the money in. You can get started today. Okay, so wonderful. Welcome aboard. Join me in Club Cash Fund. Let's get started. Let's go, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm going to put a link below in the description so you can reach out to me as well. We'll get these $100 in the mail. Okay, another direct mail program. No mailings required. And yes, people have been calling me saying, well, should I mail postcards? Sure, you can do that. That's to actually reach out to people that's offline so that they can go online and request their kit. That's what that's for. But you're not going to have to mail letters out, okay, to people. So your postcards, if you're going to do the offline marketing, it's just to drive people to the website so that they can request the kit, okay? So awesome. So you can do that, or you can run traffic, which is what I was doing, okay, and I'm doing. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. See you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.